Hi guys, so we're on a bike ride, and so yeah, we're just riding our bikes. Don't mind all the bumps, but riding in a puddle. Okay, it's a very sunny day, and so yeah, we're just riding our bikes just to have some fun during quarantine. Let's stop right here. Careful. Let's go backwards and see where my mom is. There's my mom. Naya, say hi.
Say hi to the camera, Naya.
Well, she said hi anyway. But we're just going for a bike ride here in Florida. Very hot, very sunny. Going on our way. I think we're gonna probably head to my school.
Do you want to go through the bridge?
Yeah, we're gonna go on a bridge. And it might be a pretty long one. It's a very nice day. Just gonna go in a circle for fun here. The grass is beautiful. You can see my shadow. Hello. I'm going very slow because I need to go slow because my mom, I need her to catch up because my sister, she's just learning. And yeah. Ooh, that felt so good. There's an airplane. Oh, there's a car. That's also why you gotta go slow. It's going by. Sorry you guys had to stare at the grass for a little while there. Wow, look how fast my sister's going for a 4-year-old. Gonna be 5 February. So yeah, we're gonna be turning in a couple seconds. Oh, that guy's turning around for some reason. Like I think he forgot something. Okay, going back on the road. Whoa, almost fell there. Okay. Nice shady tree right here. Oh yeah. So we're riding, right Mom? We're vibing. Sorry, we're gonna have to stop a couple times because there's gonna be a lot of cars coming through. So let's just go back on the road again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're heading to my friend's house. Like I said, it's a nice hot day here in Florida. We don't have a pool or nothing.
Daniel, look. Watch.
What? Whoa. No feet. Riding in a puddle. Oh, looks like my friend is not open. But there, oh, Mom, car. So we're gonna have to stop. The parents didn't realize that there was a car there. Oh, they're just turning, so we can still go. Their car sounds weird. Nice, oh sorry. Nice pretty bamboo here. I'm sweating. Pretty flowers. It's a little bit of a mess around here, but the plants are beautiful. Birds are chirping. And so yeah, we're just gotta go really fast so I can get through the grass. And oh, ow, ow. Oh, that was a bumpy ride there. Okay, now we're just waiting for my sister. Go around in circles. Look at a beautiful cactus. I gotta sneeze. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Oh, ow.
Okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I fell. Yes. I just got a little scrape. See, right there. But I'm fine. Just a little fall. Oh, another fall. Great. Again, I'm fine. Ow. Can you pick up my bike? Oh, ow. I can't.
What happened?
I literally was turning around and then I tripped. Ow.
There you go.
I didn't hurt that bad though. But it did hurt when I went over that thing because like the GoPro was like, stop at the stop sign, Naya. You're winning. Huh. Just to let everyone know I'm fine. It happens to everyone. Even professionals. Ooh, beautiful red cars. Okay, we're almost at the bridge. Right, Naya? Yeah. My sister, I am so sad. My sister is growing up so fast. She's already 4. Well, technically 5. And my mom is already 25. My dad, we wish he could join us, but he's at work fixing air conditioners. And this is what we do during quarantine. So, yeah, we just go here, ride around. We usually go to this beautiful bridge. You maybe or maybe not can't see it, or maybe you can. Face the sky. Okay, we're gonna try to go fast. There's a car coming. Now we're gonna have to stop right here. Look at that beautiful water. Beautiful birdies. What is that? It's about to get hit. Okay. That was loud. Okay, get back on the road. We're gonna follow my parents. Well, my parents for now. My sister gets stuck because she's in that thing.
Come on. Ride up, you gotta go fast. Go up there.
Riding around that block with that guac. Okay. Okay, I gotta get ahead so I can help my sister over the ramp. Okay, so gonna go a little bit fast, but a little bit fast, but a little bit slow. Beautiful water. We're gonna kind of brake because there's a little hill, and we're driving now through the bridge. A beautiful pool. We wish we could go, but we can't. It's other people's property. We have a place to sit and we can just watch the beautiful water. Gotta kick my thing down so I can get my sister. Huh, my knee hurts, but I'm fine. Ugh, dirt. Okay. You got it, Naya! Whoa, she's going fast, but she's leaning on one side. You can tell. You can do it! You did it! Okay, we gotta run so we can keep going. Run! Okay, oh, dog. Okay, going back. Sports over there. So this is like a fun bike ride and a tour around our neighborhood. So yeah, nice. It's really nice here in Florida, but it's really hot and you can sweat in like a sec. And so yeah, it's pretty hot. And it gets really hard to live here sometimes because it's so hot that you're like dying. And I didn't bring any water, and so yeah, but we're gonna keep going, riding this whole time. Yeah. Oh, ow, ow. There's a hole right there. Beautiful neighborhood, a little bit too shady. It gets blocked by the sun. See, like it's a little bit dark. There's a lot of crickets around here, which makes the sound. You can hear it coming from over there, but can't go on their property. Let's check on my sister and my mom. It looks like they're having fun. I'm gonna go back to them, say hi. Hi! She's so cute. Say hi, Naya. Hi. Hi. You riding your bike? Going pretty fast. One hand, two hands, hit that roll, and do your dance now. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. So yeah. In the Barbie world. Stop at the stop sign, stop at the stop sign. Do a signal with your hand, 'cause I'm going this way. Okay, another hole. I bet you probably can't see everything that I just said, but yeah, there's a big truck, FedEx. There's a lot of mail. It's mail day today here in Florida. Oh, it's hot. Super duper hot. The GoPro is hot. For a second I thought I was coming back my way, and then I'm like, ah. Okay. We're heading back. Whoa. Okay. Okay, we're going straight so we can go the longer way. But it's only gonna take like a minute. But the other way is like 12 seconds. And we don't want this video to be really short. So we're kind of crossing the road. Stopping at the stop sign just in case, because there's a lot of cars coming. We're gonna wait. Mom, I think we should wait until this truck goes by. Oh, Mom, car behind you.
It's okay. Hold on.
Yeah. It's like traffic.
Mom, stop.
Traffic.
Lucy, back. Lucy, back.
Beautiful plants. Beep. Say hi, Naya.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Oh, golf cart traffic. Okay, I'm coming with her, so she keep going. Stay. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you need a push? Oh, you got it. Okay, we're going back on the road. Sorry for that stopping moment. Car traffic and walking traffic. Ah, I'm sweating. I'm gonna need like a whole jug of water after this. Ow! Oh my God. Why do I keep... No, I keep falling. Ugh. Yeah, it's been a while since we rode our bikes. Ow. Ah. This feels horrible. Naya looks like she's having fun. Okay, it's a very smooth road. Very quiet. Except for that car. The grass smells really pretty, and the grass smells really good. No, it doesn't. You know the smell of grass, right? It kind of stinks, but it smells good. You get it? You probably don't. But yeah, so this is like a bike ride for like a tour. We're coming!
Wait, what the heck?
She's surprised. My sister's surprised because we never went this way before. There's a lot of cars. Oh, and see our next video. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff going on that we're doing. See our next video is probably gonna be about my birthday, a whole combination of it, about it. And then the next video is we're going to New Hampshire, and so we might be posting that. Well, we're posting another video tomorrow, so we're posting this one today, well, as you're watching it, and we're gonna be posting another one tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. Well, we're gonna be posting all week, and so you don't want to miss it. But in like a couple, like 10 days, we're going to New Hampshire. So, whoa! So yeah, in 10 days. 3, 2, no hands. There's a lot of dirt on my hands from falling. Yeah. Okay, we're going. We're almost home and we're almost about to end the video. So, we're gonna say bye in like a minute, so count a minute, which is 60 seconds, so count to 60. Well, it might not be 60 seconds, but, so, we're just, we're gonna do it in like 2 minutes or something. We're just gonna say bye, once we get to our apartment and we put our bikes away. So there's a lot of construction going all around. Yeah, and we might do a video with my dad tomorrow if he has it off. And we're gonna be going to a water park in like a month, so we have a lot of stuff going on here in Florida. Riding in the puddle. Whoa, this is fun. Riding in another puddle. Riding around that block with that guac. Let's go check on my parents, or my parent and my sister. Oh, they're right there. They're coming. We're about to say bye. So, we're at my house, but we're gonna say bye in the backyard right here. Yeah, we did it. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, let's say bye in a couple seconds. Wow, this was 22 minutes.
Well, that took a 22-minute bike ride.
Bye. We'll see you maybe tomorrow. Now say bye.
Bye.
Bye.